I can't wait to ride it. I'm ready to put my childhood memories on it.
Oh, it reminds me of a boat. It's different.
I can't believe I'm getting to see this up close and personal.
Yeah, there's a new ride.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Getting closer to Phoenix Rising.
Now, I'm just warning you right now.
What?
I might get too scared to get on. I
Okay.
might back out last minute.
Okay.
Y'all can make fun of me. It is valid.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm getting to see this up close and personal. No way.